Hello, in today's video I want to give you a little warning about Amway water filter systems. Hello again, so I have an Amway water filter. This is E84 system that exploded and flooded my kitchen. I just bought a new one. As you can see, this is original. I bought it on eBay for about $200 because I cannot live without good clean water. But here's where the problem is. So this is filter that I purchased about 20 years ago, and it was always under my sink. So as you can see how color changed. It's a little bit faded on one side. I don't remember, maybe I had it on the outside for a couple of years. But anyway, filter is about 20 years old, and then what happened a couple of weeks ago, I got a flooding. Thank God my wife was leaving the house and she knows that she turned off the water. So what happens that this filter is inside, but also it's threaded right here. So this side gets threaded right here. As you can see, this is a thread, right? And basically this part is on top of it, and you have a little ring that holds this whole thing together. So what happened is that the ring separated right here, which caused the water to overflow over here and then flood my apartment. I was trying later to fix it, so I glued it together. I was thinking, oh, maybe it's just a little small piece that cracked. So I tried to glue it, left it for 48 hours. This is really strong epoxy that normally used to even fix metal parts. I put it back again. I got a new filter. Look what happened. This one exploded too. And later what I found out is that looks like this plastic is just after 20 years is giving up. And I read also a couple of reviews on I think this was on Amazon when somebody bought similar filter and it exploded too. But my observation is that definitely the ring failed. Now, did the ring fail because the filter exploded or it just failed? This I'm not 100% sure, but check your rings, and if it's really old, probably, I don't know, I'm gonna try to 3D print this part and replace it because I have another filter somewhere else. But also what I found out when I removed it, and I found, I think, a couple of cracks, but also when I did this, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is water in between the walls. See right here? I got little drops of water. So I'm thinking that the housing failed, and if I do this and I shake it, I get droplets of water. There you go. I don't know if you can see that, but I have a water dripping down from the housing. This is supposed to be solid, so I don't know where the water is coming from. So just be careful. I don't know, maybe it leaked the water over here. But I also think that I saw a couple of cracks. I don't know if those are those two cracks. I don't know if you can see this right here. I think there's a little crack over here, and I'm not really sure if this is the crack in the housing or the water got somehow through those gaps over here, because kind of, if I can kind of, I don't know, pull it apart. Anyway, long story short, if you have Amway water filter 20 years old, double check it so you don't end up having a flood in your house. And again, this is E84 filter, pretty good filter, and I really love the convenience of having clean water in my house. I just buy the cartridge every year for about 50 bucks. This lasts for about 1200 gallons, and I've been happy. And actually this one, when I bought it with the original filter, As you can see, this one that I used to buy on Amazon is much smaller. It's shorter and it's narrower, okay? This one that I bought another one. It's basically almost the same. So this one is much better. Check your Amway water filters, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.